Do you know in India, gold isn't just a metal, it's emotion, tradition, and timing. But have you noticed its prices changes almost every single day? And no, it's not random. Gold is reacting to different forces, some close to home, some global. Cultural demand. Let's start with what we see around us. During wedding season or festivals like Diwali, Dhanteras, Akshay Tritiya, families rush to buy gold, not because it's cheap, but because it feels right. And when demand suddenly rises like this, prices often follow. Inflation. But it's not just tradition driving demand. When everyday costs, groceries, rent, fuel keep rising, your money slowly loses value. That's when people turn to gold. Not to get rich, but protect what they already have. Interest rates. Now here's where things shift. If bank starts offering higher interest rates, suddenly your money has another option. Why hold gold that just sits there when you can earn returns elsewhere? And that's when gold demand can cool down. Dollar. But gold isn't just affected by what's happening in India. Globally, gold is priced in dollars. So when the dollar gets stronger, buying gold becomes more expensive for countries like India, and that pushes prices up here too. Uncertainty. When global conditions become uncertain, wars, economic slowdowns, market crashes, people move away from risk. They look for safety and gold becomes the go-to choice again. Big players. And beyond all this, there's another layer most people don't see. Central banks and large investors trade gold in huge volumes. Even small shifts from them can move prices without any visible change in your daily life. So gold isn't just changing every day, it's responding to culture, to the economy, to global forces, and to how people feel about money itself. Share this video with your friends if you found it helpful. Follow Money Lancer for more such insights.